most people with a full-time job, they're not happy with the amount of money they're making. Right? But the worst thing they can do is start looking for another job, another situation where they trade their time for money. Now, there's a better way. Instead of trading time for money again, trade your time to create a digital asset, something you can create once and it keeps paying you over and over again, so you don't have to keep trading your time for money. And digital asset I'm going to show you how to create in this video is an AI book. It's very simple to create. You don't need to be a writer or author. You don't need any skills at all. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in this video. So let's get cracking, shall we? Firstly, let me tell you how it works. Okay, just get my blue light glasses on. Right. You create this AI book. All right, let's just say this is you here now. You create this book. It goes on to Amazon. Okay. Anyone could do these two things. Then it goes on to the Amazon market, and you imagine these are all the people on Amazon looking for books. Let's just say your book is here. This is your book here. Okay. When they buy this book, okay, Amazon send it to them. Amazon deal with the printing, the fulfillment, and the delivery, and the customer service. Okay, and you just collect a royalty. Now, this is particularly good if you got a full-time job, because your only focus is the AI book, which you can do in your spare time. Let me just show you something real quick. A few of my students who have grabbed my course, Ryan here has got a full-time job. He's creating books that make $1,000 each. He's done one. He's got another on the way. Okay, he does this in his spare time. I think he said he does a few in the evenings, but mostly on the weekends. Genevieve here, I'm not sure she's got a full-time job, but you can see here, she was in Hawaii on holiday and her book was selling every single day. And she's only just started and her book's making her $200 a week. And Debbie here, I know for a fact she's got a full-time job and she travels like 3 hours to work. She does her creating her AI books in the weekend because she can't do it in the evening. She's knackered. And now she made $1,000 in a month, like within, I think it was like 30, 40 days. So now she's making $1,000 a month from her books, passive income. Okay, so these are students of mine in my course that are doing this right now, 2026, May 2026, April, May, June, it's working now. Right, so this works now when you do it right. If you want a full step-by-step, I'll leave a link to my program below. Okay, so this is how it works. You do the AI book. That's the beauty of it. You don't need to focus on that. So how do we create an AI book? Let's create one like right now. Okay, let's do this. First things first, Gemini. Now, I used to use other programs, but now everything's in Gemini. So simple. Look, we create a cover. So just say you choose a niche like incredible facts for kids or something like that. Niche. We're going to niches in a minute, but just say that's your niche. Now, I'm just going to let that create the cover now. You can see here, I'm just saying create me an image for book cover. And you can see it's creating an image. Okay, so that took about 30 seconds. And there you go. That's the book cover done. Right, then I'll just leave that for a minute. Then you ask Gemini something like, for this book, create me the first chapter with intro and 100 facts. Like, that's relevant to this book, yep. Okay, so that's doing its thing over here. It actually done it as a PDF, which I didn't want. I just wanted the text inside. Let me just say to it, give me the text here. Okay, that's better now. You can see it's basically all the text. Okay, so we created a cover and we created all the content for the book. Okay, so that's kind of done in minutes. Then we take it to Canva now. So what we do is we copy all this content from here into book pages like this. So like this, I might add a little element here in Canva, which is very easy to do. You just click on elements up there and you just copy all the text in. Okay, that's the content done. Okay, this bit might take like a few hours. This bit is probably the bit that takes the longest, but there's not a lot of work. It's not complicated. All we're doing is copying it from Gemini, right? Then for the cover, we download it from Gemini here, and we shove it into a cover template. This template you just get from KDP website. Okay, you just stick it in here. I've just put it here. You can see I've just put it in here. One side I've put the cover, which I've downloaded straight from Gemini, and then this side I've downloaded the back cover. All I said to Gemini was do the cover again, but with a space here so I can write my back cover text, and that's the cover done. So that's the book cover done, the book contents done. Then you just upload it. So that's this bit done here, and then you just upload it to Amazon KDP. And it's very, very simple. You just Google Amazon KDP, you get an account in like 6 minutes. Right. Then you publish it onto Amazon, and that is literally it. Okay, so that's it's very, very simple to do that. Okay, step by step. Yes, there's a few niggly bits here, like how to get the template, how to produce the actual like book description and things like that. If you want all the niggly bits and all the step by step fully, so you can just follow it, I'll leave a link to my course below. That gives you the whole step by step. But my point is, this is like a digital asset now that sits on Amazon. Now, some pro tips for you before I go on how to actually sell it. Because as you can see, creating a book's like easy now. Anyone can do that. But the reason my students in my course are able to make sales is because we nail the bits. We get really good at the bits that actually matter. And that's specifically what I teach in my course. So they've got longevity in this business. Because here's something about this. This is what most people forget. Most people are here. They see a video like this, think, I can create an AI book. I can create that. That's fine. And then do it. And then they don't make sales. Now, the reason is because they're focusing on their book, but they're forgetting that it's actually another human being that's going to buy it. And the reasons why another person will buy a book, that's what you got to get good at. Okay, so here's some pro tips. Firstly, I'll give you tip 1. Firstly, the first thing you want to do is make sure your customer, whoever you choose to make books for, that was a facts book that I did. I think it's for kids, wasn't it? Let me just see. Facts book for kids. So imagine the kids is the customer for this. Whatever customer you choose, adults, mums, dads, seniors, women with cats, men that love training, whatever customer you choose, make sure they are actively buying books on Amazon and they are buying it at a good price. So once you've got that customer, then you need a good workflow to create these books. So imagine you create this one book now, and that's gone to your customer. That's just one book. Now, let's be real. If you've only got one chance of making money, your chances are low, right? So what do my students do? They keep publishing. They've got a really solid workflow, which I'll teach in my course on how to create a book, but then keep creating books, workflow. And then the last one is when you've got a good workflow is to improve those books so that they get better and better. Remember, to the same customer. That's very important. Because there's little point in jumping from customer to customer. Imagine I was doing a book now for kids there, and it doesn't sell, and then I think, oh, let me just do one for men that like fishing. That doesn't sell, and then I go to dads that love training, mums that like cats, seniors, jumping all over the place. Whereas if I just stuck with kids, it doesn't sell. I do another book for kids that are use different strategy. That doesn't sell, and then I'll try another one, and that starts selling. And then I'm suddenly like, okay, these two didn't work because this one works, because it's all data, and that data compounds, and that's how you get good at selling books. That's how my students were able to make sales that quickly. Okay, and if you want the full step-by-step program from getting your account to finding the right customer, to establishing a workflow, how to improve the books, how to publish it, how to run ads, how to make money throughout the whole process to actually start making money, leave a link to my step-by-step course below. Thanks for watching. Give me a little like and subscribe if you want more videos on how to make money selling books on Amazon. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Oh, before I go, don't look for another job, okay? Stop trading your time for money. Trade it for assets. Let the asset make you money instead, okay? You'll feel a lot better after. Cheers.